My name is Hendrik Heime. I'm the sales manager at SOLUM for power modules. We provide 3 different variants. There's a 30 kilowatt and a 50 kilowatt uni-directional power module and also a 50 kilowatt bi-directional power module. The power modules exemplify the capability in engineering of the power and electronics. We use high standard of components with silicon carbide components. You can stack up to 265 of our power modules, so it's easily upgradable. You no longer need to search for a faulty power module because our fixed ID provides easy maintenance. We have a wide and adjustable range of voltage. We cover 150 volt to 1000 volts, meeting all requirements for electric vehicles needed for the charging. The fan has the IP65 certification, meeting all requirement weather conditions you might face. Our standby mode just needs 10 watts, so it's a high energy saving and it's very cost efficient at the same time. All these innovations and our higher operating temperature, our lower weight compared to our competitors ensure maximum charging efficiency at an affordable price.